What's good? Hello. Long time no see. That's my fault. Yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, I wanted to go thrifting today because me and my friend need a Halloween costume. I've actually made my Halloween costume before. I've made one on my own. Now, mind you, I did have like 2 months, I think, just to get all the details right, because yeah, that Moana costume was a lot of details. We'll see how this goes. This costume should be like much simpler. We're just trying to do like ninja costumes or Romy and Michelle. I don't know. We're trying to figure out something. Pray for me, because it's not just my costume that I said I would make. It's also one of my best friends. Oh, you know what? Good news too. There's a Ross right next door. So if I really can't find anything, Ross it is. Yeah. Okay, so far not much luck. We're gonna keep looking in the other sections. I'm now at Ross because I can't really find anything. I couldn't find anything at GoodWill, so let's see what we can find here. So I went to the GoodWill, of course, with full intention of finding Halloween costumes for me and my friend. I found nothing. I found nothing related to the costumes I was trying to make. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I got either way, because I found some cute stuff. My plan is later on, I'm just gonna go to the dollar store, maybe find some accessories. I could get like swords. I could get, what is it called? Nunchucks? The things that like fly, I don't know. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I got either way. This was my favorite find. You know, I love like 80s stuff, and I do love like animal print. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? I don't know what you would call this, because either way there's like a strap not here, so I don't know if it would even be like a backpack or what. I'm just gonna call this a safari backpack. It's cool because it has like a water holder or water bottle holder right here, and a little phone pocket, has another little pocket right there, like a zippered pocket. This looks like something like one of my aunties would have in the 80s and she would carry around. Yeah, and this is from Carriage Meat. I don't know if Carriage Meat is like a big brand or what, but I saw it and I was like, It's mine. I've never actually seen one of these at a thrift store too before, so I was kind of excited, but I also got this little dream catcher, and I'm very like into this kind of design and this kind of stuff. Like if you'll see, I also have this cute little like, let me show you real quick. I have this like picture frame. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with these. I did not get these from the thrift store. I actually acquired these from a neighbor. So thank you to that neighbor. I'm trying to build a theme around this to decorate, but yeah, I feel like this dream catcher like totally goes with it. So I'm so glad I found it. I'll have to research what dream catchers actually symbolize because I'm not really sure. I think you're supposed to hang it like above your bed, right? Yeah, I'll figure that out somewhere. I found this Obey hat as well. I do like these little paisley type of designs. Yeah, and Obey is like a pretty big brand. Not that I even really cared about the brand, I just really liked the like paisley, like leaf print kind of design. This mug is another thing I found. I don't know, I just have a thing for mugs. Like even if they're just collecting dust, I just love to like pick them up because you can have so many different kinds. Like look at how cute this is with little polka dots. And then the handle is like yellow. You could use this as even like a soup mug, so I could just drink straight like that. Or even for coffee, because you guys know I love my coffee. I also found this mug too that has some cute words on it. I'm not sure if this is actually like a soup mug because like look at the shape and the size, but it's really cute. Look what it says. This is another kind of like basic thing that I just picked up. I don't really have use for these, but I just thought it was a cool like shape, so, and size and height, so that's why I got it. And this is definitely not gonna fit me, but I just love the concept of it. Maybe it will fit me. I don't know. Of course we can't try anything on still because of, you know, the restrictions, but it's like a Juicy Couture bathing suit. Look it, with like ruffles on the front and the back. An ice cream cone, popsicles, and then the top is really what got me because I saw the top and I was like, oh, so cute. But yeah, here's the top, little spaghetti strap type of thing going on, halter, like a little bow in the front also. I mean, I'm not really sure. It might be a stretch. Actually, yeah, it's probably gonna be a stretch. I also did get this bodysuit, and actually I think it's like a swimsuit bodysuit because it has that swimsuit material, but I find a lot of them have this like on the inside, so I don't know if that changes things. This is another thing that reminds me of like one of my aunties, like the print type of thing. Like this is something my auntie would wear back in the 80s, I feel like. It was so adorable, and there's like electric blue type of color. It's very jungly vibe, super high cut, if you see here, super high cut, and like low back, bringing sexy back. Yeah, this is real cute too. And then last but not least, hold on a minute, I gotta go actually physically grab them because they're a bit bigger, but I'll be right back. I didn't break it, it's okay. Got these two paintings, look at these. Literally so gorgeous. I don't know, there's just something about it because I do love like New Orleans. I love like the French look of this. I just had to get them because I'm gonna hang them somewhere, probably next to like my dream catcher, I don't know, now that I have all of the things. But it's got this cool ironwork on the top, and then you see the actual painting right here. So yeah, that's cool. And here's the back. And I did get another one too. You guys might like this one better. This is actually the first one that I saw and I was like, oh, I have to have it. And then I found the other one too. Here's the other one. Isn't this gorgeous? I really just love this because again, it's like the same New Orleans vibes. Literally looks like you're walking down a street in New Orleans. And they're pretty light, easy to hang. So I have to just, you know, put some tacks in the wall and I can hang them. I honestly think my favorite purchases are the two New Orleans paintings. Just because they're so like realistic. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am equally just as disappointed as you that I couldn't find anything Halloween related. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep looking. We'll see if we can find anything else. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you. Thank you for your support. And make sure if you did like this content that you like, and if you're not already subscribed, subscribe down below. And feel free to comment. I love talking to you guys. And everybody have a blessed and beautiful day and week. And I love you guys. See you later. Bye.